Hello, 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 Earth Signs. Ako si Mr. Moreno, or in short, Mismo. Welcome to my channel. And now, let's manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na Mismo. Okay, so, gawin natin today ay ang inyong third party energy reading. Okay? And I would like to remind everyone na ang third-party energy ay hindi laging romantic. So, anything or anyone na outside energy na nakaka-apekto sa connection mo with your person is a third-party energy. So, pwedeng kaibigan, kamag-anak, kaklase, katrabaho, pwedeng trabaho itself, ACADS, okay, health, at iba pa. So, tingnan natin. Using this card, bunot ako kung romantic energy ba yung third party na masasagap sa reading na to. Yes, it is. Okay. Alright, so yes, this is a romantic third party energy. Nakita ko dito, ongoing na yung connection between your person and this third party energy. And tingnan natin, ano pa yung nakakabit na energy dito sa third party na to. Yan, sino ba siya? At bakit siya nanggugulo ngayon sa connection. Eight of Wands. Okay. So, oops. Yeah, this third party energy is progressing and being both 8 of Wands, so 4, and then nag-double siya into 8. Ang nakikita ko dito is this third party energy, parang matagal na niyang inaasam-asam or inaabangan yung person mo. Tapos parang siya yung nag-effort na makuha yung loob ng person mo. Siya yung nag-effort na parang may in-orchestrate siyang kung ano-anong bagay para magkaroon sila ng relasyon. And here, para dito sa third party energy, siya parang for him or her, it's ano ba yung term na gusto kong gamitin? Parang milestone siya for your milestone siya na nakuha niya yung person mo. Na nakuha niya yung loob, na nagkagusto sa kanya, yung person mo. And here, sobrang dinesire nitong person, dinesire nitong third party person, yung person mo. So, talagang inakit niya, ginawa niya talaga ng paraan para mapasa kamay niya ang iyong kabiyak. Alright. So, and magtutuloy-tuloy pa to. Nakikita ko dito. Unless, parang yung person mo yung mag-decide na tapusin na to at iwan na tong person. Third party connection. Okay? Nasud ko lang, gumalaw siya. Alright, so now, tingnan naman natin, ano bang bakit bakit dumating to sa connection? Aware ka ba dito or hindi? At why your person also involve himself or herself sa ganitong situation? Let's find out. Saan nanggagaling to? Ano yung reason niya or excuses niya for cheating? Okay. Earth signs. Ayan. With the death card showing up here, you can see na your person is ano na siya, parang ayaw na rin niya sa relasyon. Although may mga tao kasi na hindi nila masabi or magawa na makipaghiwalay. So one of their resort is maghanap ng iba, magkaroon ng third party relationship, tapos yun yung gagamitin nilang excuse din to separate. So yeah, tingnan natin ano yung nakakabit na energy dito. Three of Swords. Ay, okay, Earth sign. Sorry, I'm just reading and interpreting ano yung lumalabas na card. Yeah, Three of Swords is a third party energy. Very confirmed. And here, yeah, there's a lot of pain, there's a lot of heartache. I think you found out about this as well. And yeah, nakikita ko dito na ayaw na ng person mo. Ayaw na niya sa relationship, ayaw na niya physically sa'yo. Ayaw na rin niya na ipagpatuloy pa, pero yun, hindi lang niya alam paano gagawin na makipaghiwalay. Tapos parang dumating itong person na yun nga, gumawa ng maraming paraan para makuha siya, and it led to a third party situation. So yeah, I can see that there's already a separation between you and your person because of this. So nagkaroon na ng hiwalayan after you found out, and yeah, it's already a failed relationship, as you can see here with the Death card and the Three of Swords. Yeah, it may not be the best energy, pero that's how it is. I mean, people engaging in infidelity, ano talaga sila, hindi sila into the relationship. Kasi kung into the relationship sila, totoong at hindi ka nila genuinely mahal. Kasi ayan, kayang-kaya nilang gawin yan sa'yo. Alright, now tingnan natin ano naman ang nararamdaman na ngayon ng person mo after this separation, after this breakup, after this cheating incident. And tuloy pa rin naman ang relasyon niya with the third party. So yeah. Oh, Death, tapos Tower. Ano ba yan? Yeah, Earth signs. This is a failed relationship. So yeah, I think here yung person ninyo din is devastated sa breakup. I mean yun, ang dami niyang ngayong realizations, ang dami niyang medyo ayan, hindi siya nasa matinong sitwasyon dahil dito. Parang sobrang devastated siya, feeling feeling lost siya ngayon, feeling niya ang gulo-gulo ng life niya because of what happened. Well, hindi mo siya problema. choice niya yun na gawin. Pwede naman siyang umayaw nung inakit siya. Pwede naman siyang humindi nung tinry ng third party na magkaroon sila ng relasyon. Pero, yeah. Choice niya yun. Yeah, see? The Emperor here. Card na this person talagang ano siya. Kasi si Emperor merong energy of emotional detachment. So now, currently, well, ongoing pa rin yung relasyon. Pero ang pinaka nag-e-effort kasi dito yung third party energy. After the breakup, parang wala, nandun na siya sa sitwasyon na yun. So, medyo magulo ang situation nila. And hindi niya alam na kung anong gagawin with the Emperor and Tower showing up here. Yung mga revelations na nakuha niya is now parang it's humbling him, parang ganun. With the Emperor card na has this energy of grounding, has this energy of stability. Parang ngayon yung nangyari is yan, pan-teaching your person a lesson sa mga pinagagawa niya. Kaya, well, it's again, hindi mo to problema. So, but still, I mean, at least it's good that you're aware what this person is going through. Hindi naman siya masaya sa nangyari. Pero, again, we should face the consequences of our actions, di ba? Yan. And now, tingnan natin anong magiging kaganapan pa between you and your person after this incident. And after the separation, after now that your person is feeling lost, and iba pa parang hindi na alam ang gagawin. Ayan, yung iba parang gusto pang humingi ng chance, ganyan. Pero I can see na sa end mo, ayaw mo na rin. Alright? So, yeah. Ginusto niya yan. Now, let's see. Okay. Happy ka. Happy ka na wala na siya sa buhay mo. And can see here na mas alam mo yun, it's painful yung nangyari, pero ngayon parang mas you're at better place na wala na kayo, na wala na yung tao sa buhay mo na nanloko sa'yo, at hindi ka na nakaka-experience ng panloloko kasi wala na kayo. So hurting ka pa rin in a way, and kasi kailangan mo pa ng healing, kailangan pa mag-heal, pero ang nakikita ko dito is you're better off this way. And yeah, with the Sun and the Nine of Cups, yung on your end, nakikita ko dito na satisfied ka rin naman sa decision mo na makipaghiwalay dito sa person na to, kasi this person hindi niya deserve yung love and effort na binibigay mo sa relationship. And with the Nine of Cups here, yeah, yung Nine of Cups is a card of satisfaction and parang triumph na ngayon nakikita mo, kasi I can see here that your person and yung karelasyon niya ngayon na third party energy nung kayo, they're not doing well and you're aware of it. And parang hindi naman sa gloating yung nakikita kong energy dito, pero parang may sense na may energy na parang buti nga sa inyo, parang may gano'n na gano'n ka nararamdaman. And basta ako, masaya ako ngayon na I'm single at hindi na kita kasama or wala ka na sa buhay ko, parang may gano'n kang energy. And it's good kasi mas madali ring kang makapag-move on at mag-heal sa nangyari. Kasi, actually, yung person mo pa yung ngayon hirap na makapag-move on at mag-let go at mag-heal. Kasi, yeah, he or she knows naman na ang laki ng pagkakamaling ginawa niya. Pero, ganun talaga. That's his or her choice again. So, natingnan natin ano naman yung nararamdaman mo ngayon at ano yung balak mong gawin about this situation. Feeling ko parang kebs na kayo, magsama kayo. Yun yung nafe-feel ko actually na energy from you. Okay? Saka itong person na to matagal na niyang kilala yung person mo. Possible na either from work or kung nag-aaral pa kayo from school, classmate siya, or basta na-encounter na niya yung person mo, tapos masyado siyang na-attract dun sa person mo, kaya ginawa niya ng paraan lahat para makuha siya, parang ganun. Kaya, ayan, I'm not, for some of you, pwedeng kilala nyo itong third party bago pa mangyari, pwedeng hindi naman, okay? Pwedeng na blindside din kayo itong person. So now, tingnan natin ano naman yung energy mo towards this. Okay. And anong balak mong gawin about this? Okay, with the Knight of Cups, tingnan natin anong ka-pair niya. Oops, ang daming tumatalo na cards. Oh, dalawang knight. I think, yeah, you're taking action when it comes to your emotions and thoughts. Yung, alam mo yun, na parang mas magiging matalino ka na pagdating sa love, sa connection, sa bagong relasyon. You're, based on what you learned, now you're taking action and parang mas magiging responsible ka na ngayon sa iyong nararamdaman at naiisip, parang mas mag-align na yung heart and mind mo. The cups and swords showing up here, tapos pareho pang knights. Mas mag-align siya ngayon kasi dati parang mas ginamit mo yung puso mo, kahit alam mong parang ang dami ng toxic behaviors or may mga red flags nitong person mo, parang mas nagibabaw yung heart over your mind at alam mo na parang mali na to. Pero now you're wiser, hindi naman dapat laging utak lang lagi tapos wala ng emosyon. So now you're balancing it, you're acting on it na dati parang hindi mo ginawa. So now mas decided ka na ngayon na hindi na mauulit to kapag may mga red flags na yung bagong person na darating sa buhay mo, gagawan mo na siya ng action din. Gagawan mo ng paraan na hindi ka na masasaktan ulit. Ayan. So, yeah, tingnan natin ngayon kung ano yung final message ni Universe sa inyo. Okay. So, anong advice niya or final message given na nandito kayo sa situation na to or na-experience nyo tong situation na to? Ayan. 7 of Coins. Okay, yeah. Yung mag-undergo kayo ng a lot of reflection after this, because of this, and after this. Tapos, yeah, there will be step by step, mag-heal naman kayo. You're going to undergo a healing journey and mag-grow kayo as a person. And sinasabi ni Universe dito na, sige, ituloy mo lang yan. Hindi mo kailangan magmadali na magkaroon ulit ng bagong relasyon. Ituloy mo na yung healing journey mo. I-process mo muna lahat ng thoughts and emotions mo, cups and swords. Saka kapag ready ka na, saka ka na lang ma-involve sa another person, a new person in your life. Okay? Ayan, so sana nakatulong itong reading na to. sana nabigyan ko kayo ng guidance and insights given na may ganitong hindi masayang situation. And always use my reading with discernment, okay? And I would like to remind everyone that this is a collective and general reading, so it may or may not resonate with all of you. Take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. And yes, kung nag-resonate itong reading sa inyo or nakaka-connect kayo sa akin sa mga readings ko, sana supportahan niyo po ang aking channel by liking, sharing, subscribing sa aking channel para maging part din kayo ng collective. Okay? So, kita-kits na lang sa susunod ko pang love reading. Dito na sa aking channel. Ako si Mr. Moreno, or in short, Miss Mo. Ingat!